Hello, 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 everyone. It's me, it's your girl, Sia Knight. I am the mobile notary mentor, and I wanted to hop on for a quick video. I didn't even get myself all together in order to be on camera, but I said, I'm going to hop on to kind of go to my people and see if I am onto something or whether or not I am just totally bugging, as we would say back in 1992. So the question is, have I been canceled? Have I been canceled? And I'm not talking about the type of cancellation where like everybody gets mad at me on the internet because I said something crazy because, I tend to not say anything too controversial. But my question is, did I make this large company angry? Okay. Before we get into that, I want to remind everybody about the opportunities to join the new notary workshop. The next one is June 20. I'm going to look. It is June 26th. Let me see, 24th, 20, June 26th, 2021 is the next one that will be offered. And also, I want to remind you about the new notary mastermind. So, most people go to the new notary workshop, they get the fundamentals, the information there, and then we continue the party with the new notary mastermind, even though you don't have to do it that way. Um, what I like to say is I like to build a culture of competence and confidence. Okay. So here's what I have a question about. My question is about Thumbtack. Thumbtack, y'all. And I made a video recently about Thumbtack and how I'm no longer going to endorse them. And I stand by that because their prices have just gone up, in my opinion, to a point where it's no longer, it doesn't make any sense for my business, right? So I had a client and a viewer. So shout out to Gail. Hey, Gail, who told me that she looked for me because she wanted me to notarize something for her. And so she looked for me on Thumbtack. She couldn't find me. So she knew some key elements. She knew kind of my name. She knew generally where I was. And so she put some elements in, and Thumbtack kept saying, um, no, this person's not a good fit. And so she would tweak the search a little bit, put some information in, put in a general area, search my name, and then Thumbtack kept saying, "Not, not this. You really don't want this person. You don't want to hire her. You don't want to hire this company. No. How about these folks?" So it's interesting because there are a couple of different possibilities there, and I don't want to be so vain or conceited to think that someone has seen my video and it kind of got back to Thumbtack, but that's one possibility. And then now they're like, hey, you don't like us? Guess what? Go down in the algorithm. No more leads for you, which is good because I was paying for leads that didn't really pan out anyway. Now up to about 7 to 8 bucks per lead, which I think is too expensive. So that's one particular scenario. And another scenario could be that Thumbtack, what they've always said is that the speed in which you answer the notifications, that's what kind of drives you up in the listings, and it drives you up when it comes to people seeing you. Um, I admit that lately I have not really been responding fast because these have not been what I would consider quality leads. And just it didn't they weren't a good fit. So I have not been responding as fast. Um, but I have responded kind of fast. It's not like I used to be on and I would see someone and I'd go right back. So it could be I've just fallen in the rankings due to my lack of response time, which is still probably pretty good, but it's just not super duper good. So I don't know. And I don't know if I'll ever know kind of how or why I may have lost favor with Thumbtack, but it looks like it might be a mutual the decision might be mutual because I'm also thinking that Thumbtack and I, might need to part ways. So, I just thought it was an interesting little tidbit. If anybody knows anything about Thumbtack and about the algorithm, please feel free to comment below. And if you have any other pertinent comments, please make sure you comment below. Make sure also while you're down there, you hit subscribe as well as you touch the notification button so you're notified about any videos that come up. And that's it. I'll also put the links below for the mastermind class and the new notary workshop. I think that's all the plugs I have for today. And thanks so much, everybody, for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you, each and every view. It's very humbling when people say, "Oh, I love to watch your channel." I'm like, "Oh, okay," because I think it's pretty good. But when other people say that they enjoy it and they get a lot out of it, that really makes it worthwhile. So, really appreciate y'all. And until next time, like they say, happy signing. Bye.